guys, welcome back to our channel. Super happy to see everyone here. Guys, for today's episode, I'm going to share to you up-and-coming Louis Vuitton bags. So if prices, links, and SKUs are available, I will be putting everything here. So please make sure you take a screenshot and check with your CA. Hi guys, Ron here, Suking Budgetarian Fashionista. I publish vlog every Wednesdays and Saturdays about leads about fashion. I do luxury shopping vlogs, hauls and unboxings. I also do bag reviews and provide styling tips. I'm inviting you to please join our ever-growing fam. There's a cute little icon here, so please click on this one so you can easily subscribe and be a member of our growing luxury addicted family. Please like and share this video and follow me on my new Instagram account that's at Ramir52 for daily updates and styling tips coming from me. Happy Louis Vuitton Day, guys! I'm very happy to share this upcoming collection from Pharrell for Louis Vuitton. This is his first collection and will be launching January 2024. Prices, SKU, features, launch dates are included. Kindly take a screenshot and check with your CAs for availabilities and pre-orders. Thank you to LV Darren, FO.LV, Maddie74, Foxy LV for sharing these. Happy shopping, guys! Alright, let us start first with Speedy 25. So this one, the price is 9,300 USD. Guys, please take note that the reason why this is a little bit expensive is because this is not made of canvas, but it is made of calfskin with vachetta leather trim. So it would come in the classic monogram colorway. It would also come in the red colorway as well. So the price of this one is 9,300 USD. So aside from the main body made of calfskin, we are also seeing a pre-treated vachetta with adjustable strap with bag tag and key clochette. I love the styling of the bag tag and key clochette together. So it would also come in the yellow colorway, same price of 9,300 USD. So this is like the same colorway of the $1 Million Speedy. What do you think, guys? So again, the size of this one, it is Speedy 25. Next colorway of the Speedy 25 is in green colorway. So guys, please take note that most of these collections from Pharrell would be launching January 4, 2024. If you are liking anything here so far, guys, I would recommend by December, contact your CAs to check if it's available for pre-orders. Then the next colorway is the blue colorway. So I'm loving the contrast of the pre-treated vachetta with this very bright blue color with, of course, contrasting monogram logo. Again, made of calfskin with pre-treated vachetta with adjustable bag strap. Then it would also come in the Speedy 40. So guys, the price of this one is 11,100. It would come in the brown colorway, red colorway, yellow colorway, green, and blue. Everything would be priced 11,100. And please take note, made of calfskin, no canvas on these types of Speedies. Next size is the Speedy 50, a travel size. Price is 12,400 USD in the brown, red, yellow, green, and blue colorway. Made of calfskin with pre-treated vachetta, and it would also come with the adjustable leather strap. And then if you are feeling bougie, then you may want to check this out, Speedy 40. Price is 40,000 USD. We have SKU here. It is a super embellished Speedy with pearls, sequins, beads, in classic dame pattern. Next, let us discuss the camouflage under the Spring-Summer 2024. First, we have the Keepall 50. Price is 4,950 USD. We have SKU here. So we are going to see the pixelated camouflage design launching January 4th. So aside from the Keepall 50, next we have the Steamer wearable wallet. For the prices, guys, if there are no prices here, kindly stand by. Once I have them, I will be posting on our community wall. But we do have our SKU here, and we are going to see the pixelated camouflage design on the entirety of the bag. We also have the key clay. This one is really cute. So it would come with the black hardware, and we're going to see there is an LV logo like studs in front, and of course the pixelated camouflage design. I believe this one is made of canvas. Then of course we have some beanie. Price is 565 USD. Still part of the PHARRELL Spring Summer 2024 collection. I love the colorway of this one. It's like a green camouflage or camouflage colorway. Then let us discuss the May chest design. First, we have the chest messenger. Price is 2,850. So it would come in different colorways. So we have the green, we have the red like this, we have it in yellow, we have in blue, and we have in orange. All would be priced 2,850. So this is a crossbody bag. I love actually that the crossbody is fully detachable, and I love that it comes with a top handle as well. We have micro steamer. We have SKU here. So this one, guys, please take note. This is more like a card holder. It's very teeny tiny. So definitely we could not expect a phone would fit in. The strap is not detachable, but we're going to see aged gold hardware with this one. Then we have the nano steamer. So this is a crossbody bag. The colorway is in yellows. It comes with the aged gold hardware. It comes with teeny tiny top handle, and we have the crossbody strap with vachetta leather trims. Guys, if I haven't mentioned the May chest design, this is made of coated canvas. So first we have the Brazza wallet on the SLG in this yellow colorway. As we're going to see, it has so many card slots inside. Next, we have the pocket organizer. So for the pocket organizer, it would come in 4 colors. So we have the blue colorway. Next, we have the red colorway. So guys, if you're liking any colors, as you can see, there are different SKUs. Then we have also in blue and green. Then we have the soft sack plat with the east-west design, still part of the May chest design. So please take note that the body is made of coated canvas, but it would have a vachetta top handle and vachetta shoulder strap with bag tag. Then we have the Speedy Bandolier 50. Price is 3,550 USD in the yellow colorway. It again made of coated canvas with vachetta top handle with adjustable crossbody strap with aged gold hardware. Then of course we have the very cute shopper bag. Price is 4,350 USD. So guys, how would you feel about carrying a Louis Vuitton shopper bag? But of course, this one is made of genuine calfskin leather. Then we have the Alma duffel. Price is 7,450 USD. This is an Alma travel bag size. Entirety of the bag is made of leather. As you're going to see, it has 2 main compartments. It has a top handle and it has a silver hardware. Then for SLGs, we have the pocket organizer. So this one is priced at 895 USD. Made entirely of genuine leather. What I'm loving is the contrasting Louis Vuitton monogram. It has multiple card slots inside. Then we have the Brazza wallet. Price is 1,080 euro. This is a full-size wallet on the same design, made of genuine calfskin leather with the contrasting Louis Vuitton monogram. And last but not the least, we have the Alma 25. Price is 5,550 USD. We have SKU here. So as you can see, this is an Alma. So I'm guessing, guys, that this is the same size as the Alma BB. This is made entirely of genuine calfskin leather, silver hardware, and as we are going to see that it has somewhat kind of like a design or painting on the sides of the bag. There, did you enjoy our episode for today? So if you have stayed at this part of the episode, kindly leave a bag emoji. I would really appreciate it. So among the very beautiful bags that we have discussed for today, did you like anything so far? Kindly comment down below which ones are you adding to your wish list. Before we end our episode, I'm inviting you guys to please join our ever-growing fam. There's a cute little icon here. So please click on this one so you can easily subscribe and be a member of our growing luxury addicted family. Please like and share this video and follow me on my new Instagram account. That's at Romero52 for daily updates and styling tips coming from me. A million thank you for staying with me in today's episode. I'm going to leave a couple of videos here for you to check out. Please stay safe. I'm going to see each and every one of you soon. Bye!